Guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the plays. Bought some SPY calls and some McDonald's calls. As you guys can notice, today was actually a red day, but before it turned red, we actually almost hit 13,000. I know this says 12,000 here, but Robinhood isn't accurate on the graphics. A lot of these contracts went a little bit higher, and we did almost break 13,000. I think it was 12,890, somewhere around there. And things went sour. And I want to explain exactly what happened and why things went sour for us for the day. One is day trades. We were approaching our day trade limit. I did do day trades yesterday and the day before that, so I only had one day trade left. I forgot about that. I'm usually trading a larger balance account, and I don't want to say I didn't know, but it wasn't in my information in front of me that I can focus on. And what happened was I bought the McDonald's calls. If you click the calls here itself, we paid $1 per contract. And again, like I said, it did go up roughly almost 50%, and then it trended down. I'm fine with these because the expiration date on these contracts are for 9/20. And then we bought SPY calls today, roughly around market open. We bought these for 80 cents a contract, and this was doing very well as well for us. We bought it right around, where was it? Right about somewhere around here, and went up, and then all of a sudden some announcement came back right down and it trailed back up higher. I wanted to sell out of these, and I'm like, wow, I'm going to use a day trade, and I don't want to get my account flagged, so I was kind of forced to hold it. I knew this was going to happen. This was supposed to be a temporary trade. I was actually very cocky about this one. Hey guys, look, I'm about to double the money here again. But we did diversify a little bit. I am a little bit worried about these SPY calls. 302 will pretty much be the market high. It's all-time high. Anything can happen from this point on. I am a little bit worried, but not too worried. We did buy an extra day, so they won't expire tomorrow. So tomorrow is a must to get out of these. I'm not going to hold these till Monday. The McDonald's calls, I'm okay with that because that's basically a week from now. So I'm fine with those. But anyways, guys, day was going really well until I realized right about this point here, I wanted to sell out. And then I'm like, oh, geez, if I sell out now, I'm going to get flagged. That's my mistake. But again, we did end the note negative today. We were down 1,000 on the weekly performance. Again, we did phenomenal. We started this with around $1,000 and quickly grew it. And basically a little bit slump here, but that's okay. Nobody saw this coming, to be honest. Everything was going well. But again, like I said, guys, appreciate every single one of you who subscribe, keeps hitting the like button, and I will get back to you guys Friday regarding what happens. Again, good luck trading. Goodbye.